There was no disagreement between.
Today is one of those days for us, and you'll be empowered, you'll be that will hopefully.
Programs. Bisa menggunakan namaste, assalamualaikum, and good afternoon to all of you. I warmly greet you in this auspicious occasion. It marks another achievement in the mission. Not only is this event outstanding, but it also celebrates the accomplishment of 50 young youth who will be graduating today with first clarification in Kapunchin. Of course, I'm looking forward today when we have more young women on the day that they will take part on this training. In addition, it additionally commends the accomplishment of the ministry in the provision of formal education or training in non-formal setting and the first set of graduate and the pretty higher education graduate program. As we are mandated by government to conduct non-formal education, and that's why we are here this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, the Abitu Training Center has produced hundreds of young training in the areas of carpentry, agriculture, subsidized training programs offered since its began in 1955 with the then Department of Youth and Sports under the Ministry of Education and Youth and Sports. Presently, under this ministry network of 5 training centers across the nation, the Abitu Training Center is one of a kind that is good geographically situated in one of the southernmost island of our country, and also a training domain that enables students to focus through their training. The ministry in 2016 commenced upgrading work at the Abitu by appointing its first accredited trainer who work with other ministry officials, meeting the compliance standards stipulated by the Fiji Higher Education Commission. I take this moment to commend the work of Mr. Abdullah Rahim and his staff to the huge strides the Abitu Training Center has taken to their commitment and dedication towards curriculum. I think they need a clap of hands. Is now able to produce graduates who can jump directly into the construction sector with the quality of training they have received. On the last trainees that we graduated in Abitu, they manufacture furniture for school in Nagamoto Primary School, which was funded by a son of Nagamoto in the US Embassy, serving the US Fiji Embassy in the US system. So the quality that we have now in Abitu speaks for itself. I understand that there was a consultation between stakeholders and parents this morning. We were able to promote linkage and create awareness amongst parents on the potential of not only the graduates, but those who may go through this training in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the steps the government through this ministry has already taken to ensure our youths get the best that is on offer. This especially the youths who are marginalized in society, youths that those youth that we just gave in from last week, the youths that the Shushan boys and the Wilbur boys, they are counted as this type of youth that we also. We are the ministry for all youths, faith-based, ethnicity, and all the Fijian entrepreneur. It provides platforms to upgrade the lives of our youths. The government through the ministry has designed various informal training to empower them. These are carried out in this 4 division and are based on the training needs analyzed which are carried out by the ministry staff. In doing so, we are fulfilling one of our core functions by empowering our youth to explore the use of their disabilities, their abilities, and potential to create an enabling environment of sustainable livelihood for young Fijians. For the graduates today, it's the beginning of your journey into the workforce. The culmination of what you have been trained for at Vidu and the 3 months of work attachment to follow, when you graduate today, one door closes and another opens, helping your knowledge grow and complement your training. I urge you to always maintain disciplined workforce and show your peers that your time with us at the Youth Training Center in Vidu has made you a better person. There was a graduate that we achieved last 2 months in Goa. He graduated at the same graduation that we are witnessing this afternoon. He able to register a company, and he was given a two building to build in the government station in Goa. So those are the type of livelihood empowerment we empower youth today to go into the streets, to go into other places that they are confident enough and carry on with what they have been trained. Your time at the Vidu is one of the many enjoyable phases in your lives where you get to make many good friends, celebrate each other's success, comfort each other in sorrow, or provide kindness and support when you need. This network you have created and maintained throughout life will help you a lot. The network will help you in sharing of ideas and fostering relationship and creating a bond that will help you develop through your working life. Many young people who go through such training have been successful in life because of the discipline and the network that have developed while they doing the training. Your graduation today not means that your training ends here. There's still more to learn, and I encourage you to keep learning until you get into class carpentry and explore ways you can further enhance your skills and abilities. Then, ladies and gentlemen, I will take this moment to acknowledge the 25 participants of a week-long Lao Youth Leadership Training who are also graduating today. Leadership is a gift, and it means that you must find and exhibit moral and ethical courage, setting an example for everyone in your family and your communities. To be a leader, you have to be innovative and go where there is no path to be trailblazing. Leaders inside instill the people at home who have success and believe in themselves. Positive leaders empower people to accomplish their goals. A servant leader in action. The training this week has empowered you. You have vision and motivate others to enhance the capabilities and accomplish the goals in the dreams. You must not find faults. However, find means to improve. When you improve yourself in your areas that are important to people, you need not only for you to get better, but also help other people improve. This training is designed to assist you, the young men and women representing the 17 Lao islands in the Lao Group, in developing your communities through sustainable practice and good governance. The training also benefits you to excel in different ways, in different areas of your lives in future as leaders. Utilize what you have learned during the training throughout this training center. Broaden the scope of your roles, share your newfound knowledge, and encourage others to excel in the modern era. As our leaders of tomorrow, government looks towards you, the youth of today, for the continuous improvement and well-being of our nation, and encourage you to rise to the challenge we face today and tomorrow. Make it a prerogative to lead wisely, and you will gain the respect of your peers. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to conclude by challenging to all the leaders here today to strengthen and thus embrace the lives and the prospect of your youth as leaders and innovators in your community. I warmly congratulate you and all of your achievements this week, and throughout the 3 months for the graduates, and I wish you success in your future endeavor.
Saya orang tu,